Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just a few minutes ago, I made a video on how to make this. So this is part two. We're going to try to make it look a little different. So these are two different pieces. I've actually welded them together. We're going to go to effects and we're going to go to bevel and we're going to bevel it like that. You know what? Let's try, I don't do bevel very much. Let's try yellow. I don't think it's going to look very good. Yeah, it kind of looks greenish. I wonder what happens if you just pick red and bevel it. Yeah, that looks good. Then we're going to bevel this. So now I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center, and rotate it at 40 degrees. And look, now you're going to have a bevel type item that's going to make it really stand out. Kind of a fun project. And you can try, light control and intensity. And I'm a laser engraver and I don't really get to play with this, but there's a lot you can do with directions and so on. And I've got several videos on the bevel. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.